Hello mga people, nagbabalik tayo sa larong ito. Ano bang larong to? Survey, nakita ko lang to sa Roblox eh. Nakakatakot daw sabi nila. Eh, tignan natin. Hindi ako matatakot hanggat sa hindi ko natatry. Oh, sige. Ano to? Are you having a nice day? Oo naman. Do you have many responsibilities? Ano nga? Meron ba? Teka lang. Isipin muna natin. Wala. Look around for a moment. Ay, tanga sa laro kasi. Uy, ako yan na. Are you familiar with... Wait lang, tignan natin. May libro. O, dalawa na lang yan. Okay. Yes, I am. Uy, okay ng inang lakas. Aray. Pwede ba? Have you ever had a panic attack? Hindi pa naman. Are you scared of darkness? Hindi. Yun ang hindi ko nakakatawa. Ay, mali. No nga eh. If the lights went out, would you be scared? Hindi. Joke lang yan. Yung pinto pa lang. Natakot ako sa... Yung pinto kasi yung... Open the folder on your desk. You are from... Hmm? Ano yun? If you suddenly went missing... Ano ba yun? Are you alone? Oo. You aren't alone. Did you check your room? May tumutunog talaga. May, baka na, tubig lang ata. May ano kasi dyan eh. Stars, baka yun. If you screamed, would anybody hear? Siyempre, kapitbahay. Tsaka yung natutulog. Are you scared of gunshots? Hindi. Babaril? Bang! Do you know where the person standing behind you? Gago na. Ay! Tung ina mo ko! Are your feelings real and not just programmed like a machine? Yes. Totoo nararamdaman ko para sa kanya. Did you cry today? Hindi. Ba't ako iyak? Have you seen the person standing outside your window? Wala akong bintana. Sige. Is there a meaning to life? Oh, meron. Siguro. Kaya tayo nabubuhay. Truth. Bakit? What will people think about you when they see what you have done, Ken? Ano ginawa ko? If I could prove to you that you are not sentient. Sentient. Okay, sentient. Would you be shocked? Ano bang sentient? Able to perceive or feel things. Ah. Look at your window. Wala nga pala akong bintana. Ba't ako tumitingin? Wala. I mean you. Tangin na, nababaliw na ako, pre. I've been trying to help you see it for what it is. And I've finally done it. I can finally set you free. Wait lang, nadala ko yung Rubik's Cube. Pwede ba ito ibalik? Nadala ko yung Rubik's Cube eh. Putang ina. Andito yung pinto, hindi doon ha. Kung gusto niyo ng survey 2 guys, sabihin niyo lang. Okay? Pero end ko muna ngayon. Siyempre, gagawin ko pa rin yung survey 2. One dot. Sa comment, one dot gagawin ko.